What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to replace the oil pan gasket on the Honda. This is what I've done so far. Now for this car, to remove the oil pan, you have to remove this brace right here. There's a bolt here and a bolt over there. It's 4 of them plus these 2 right there. But from what I heard, you have to drop the exhaust as well, but those things look really rusty. I don't want to fight with them right now, and I think I should be fine as long as I remove this brace here. And I think I should be able to remove all the bolts and then kind of squeeze this up here. Now the pins still have oil in it. I didn't join it yet. I'm just trying to make sure I remove everything here that I need to remove before I join the oil. Now I already play around with the bolt and got them loose. Now the only thing that I have to do is remove this, and then I think there's something in there you have to remove, and then I'll drain the pan, then remove all those bolts here. There's a lot of bolts here. As you can see, there's oil everywhere here. The thing was really dirty with oil, so I kind of clean it a little bit. So now let's remove this brace right here so we can see what's packed there. Okay guys, just like that I remove all the brackets. As you can see, I'm on the ground. Now this thing, I don't know if I have to remove this, but it seems like it does this thing right there. I think I might be able to reach this one. Yes, I think yes, I might be able to reach this one, so I don't have to mess with all these. But there's another one hiding way up there. I think my tools are small enough, so I think I may be able to get this in there. Yes, I think, yeah, it worked. So I don't have to mess with these much. The exhaust, I don't wanna, this thing is really rusty. I don't want to have to deal with this. I think if I unscrew all the table, I may be able to squeeze the pan out. Now what I'm going to do is join the oil so I can remove all the bolts up here. Okay guys, just like that I joined the oil. As you can see, there's barely any oil in here. It's because the car's been leaking oil because of the oil pan gasket. Now what I'm going to do is remove all these bolts, and I don't know if I'm going to record the whole thing. I'll record some of it, but from now on you guys should know that you just remove all these bolts and then drop the pan.
2,000 years later.
I thought after I removed the bolt I would just drop the pan, but find out there was another bolt all the way up here that I had to remove, but this was on the way, so I had to remove this piece right here, and I had to drop the gear shift as well. From here, this is the bolt up there, so I could get the pin out. Now I thought this was gonna be hard to drop, and find out it was until I used this thing here. So now that I dropped the thing, as you can see there's oil everywhere here. I'm going to clean all around here. Okay guys, this is the new gasket, and the old one is still on here. Now all I have to do is take this one off and put this one in, and we'll go back and put the oil pan back on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this area right here before I put the new one on. Alright guys, so we're about the noise. So I had to go to Advanced Auto to grab silicone for the head gasket because that thing would not stay on here. So I'm going to apply this and then put the oil pan back. Okay guys, this is the new oil. That's the one that I use, and this car is the Penn's oil, and I removed the oil filter, and this is the same one that I had before. As you can see, it's right here. That's the old one. Now it says that it's good up to 20,000 miles, but I changed my oil every 5,000 miles, so I changed the oil and filter. All right guys, let's put the oil pan. Well, first I will put this one back on first, and then I'll put the oil pan back. Now I may not be able to film everything here because there's a lot of oil I'm touching the camera at the same time. I just don't wanna touch the oil and the camera at the same time. Some of them I'll film, some of them I'll just tell you guys what happened. All right guys, just like that I put the oil pan back on. For some reason that last little bolt won't go in there. I think it's kind of stripped or something. I don't know what happened. All I did was unscrew it, so now I'm still trying to put it back on. Now all I have to do is put these back up here, and this one right here, and then we'll be all set to go. Well, we have to put the exhaust back. I can't show everything because my hand, my gloves, everything full with oil. I don't want to touch the camera and do this at the same time. This is probably the worst job, not worst, like the hardest job that I've done on the car. You have to I don't know why Honda make it so hard to just remove it oil pan. There's a lot of crap here you have to remove just to get that thing off. All right guys, just like that we are done. I put the pin back. After you put the pin back, there's a cover here you have to put back, and then you have to put your gear shift back, this brace and that one, and put the exhaust back. I have to tell you, man, this was a job. Oh my god, I am tired. All right guys, as you can see I have oil all over me. I've been here all day. Well, I started around 10. It's around 3 o'clock now, so the only thing I have to do now is put new oil in here. I already put the new oil filter back, and then from this point, anyone know how to do an oil change? This is just oil change. You just put no oil in there. Now maybe I will not have to deal with oil leaks anymore. Now for the oil pan, you kind of now need something like this silicone, because every time I put the gasket, it keep coming up the gas, and then I realized that, you know what, I need this, so I had to drive back to the store and then to grab this one, and then I put it all around the oil pan, and then everything was fine. All right guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.